abantu babakhuluma emsamo today bayathandaza.
Right.
And bathi bona bayaphahla. But the word pha liyazichaza. Kumele kube nalento ethi pha.
The spark, the break again.
Ithi hla.
Spreads.
Now you can't uthi uyokhuluma nogogo nabomkhulu. Uthi bogogo nabomkhulu ngicela umsebenzi, ngicela ngi. Uhla wakho.
The direction.
Uhla wakho uyapi? Ngoba umuntu omalapha emsama khulume. Umuntu omela ikhaya azikhulumeli yedwa. And there's this tradition now yokuthi hayi hamba uyozicelela emsamo. Fika uzishisela impepho ekhaya. Fika ulayita ikhandlela njengamakhandlela nani. Kwenziwe lonto ke manje it's an elaborate situation now. Nama-fruit, nama-sweet, yonke lento. Nama-champagne, nama-wine, it's yeah. But lokupha uyapha, you are giving. And then ithi hla lento uyihlwayele.
Wow. That is so precise.
Lento iphayo or oyiphiwayo funeka uyoyihlwayela. How then do you go emsamo uzikhulumele wedwa? Who is listening to this individual cry? This is why about mabaphahla bayathandaza, because mawuthandaza
isicelo
for wena.
And umthandazo nawo uhlukile kunomkhuleko. Ngoba umkhuleko now ukuzibopha. It has a commitment.
You are binding yourself.
You're binding yourself in a commitment.
In a commitment.